How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this 2027 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Starting on the back of the boat, this is going to be powered by twin 300 Mercury Verados. Excellent power option, nice quiet engine, super reliable. Moving forward, we have this awesome sized bench seat, super easy to fold up. And now it gives you a padded bolster for standing and entertaining. Dive door on the port side here, bringing in the catch of the day or easy access on and off the docks. Moving forward, you have this awesome lounger seat here. This is adjustable back, so you can lay this down and make a chase lounge, or you can bring it forward to make 2 seats. You have storage underneath here for your boarding ladder that clips into your dive door. And then you can also clip into the steel plate here. There's a table, so you can entertain, have lunch, or play cards or anything like that. Another aft-facing seat, great spot for watching lines if you're doing some runs out to the canyons. And overhead in the cockpit here, we have this great size sure shade. So you'll see sunny day, but we're nice and protected on the shade. Wet sink here and refrigerator, awesome for entertaining. Up at the helm, this boat is equipped with a joystick, digital throttle and shift on those 300 Verados, JL audio, and then your multifunctional display is going to handle everything else. You have a VHF radio as well, and this awesome black acrylic looks sharp. Coming over to the port side again, really nice size head. We got the covers in there right now, so it's a little tough to see. We have Corian countertops in there. That's a shower that pulls out from the faucet, so a great place to rinse off or get changed, anything like that. And a lockable glove box over here, so if you do any dock and dine, you can leave some belongings on board. I know that they'll be safe. This whole area can be enclosed. There is no isinglass enclosure, so extend that season with those curtains, keep things a little bit cooler, stay out of the elements. Coming forward, another really cool feature on the Vantage is this little trap door. Leads right into a 5-gallon bucket for storage, or excuse me, for trash. No need to hang a trash bag on the side of the boat. And then up here on the bow, there are cushions that'll fill in, make this an awesome lounging space, or have it all down and no cushions for a great casting platform up here. And then you can access your windlass in the front and a boarding ladder. So if you're doing a lot of diving in and climbing back up, you also have a freshwater wash down, quick rinse off, get all that salt off before coming back into the boat. So again, this is Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View, on this 2027 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. If you'd like to check out this boat or any of our other available inventory, we'd love to have you stop by. Thanks. Catch you out on the water.